AJ, you can come take this basket back for your daddy. Get out and come take the basket back for your daddy. Because you climbed it?
Not only did I climb it, it's beautiful during the spring, and I love it.
Well, what happens to this tree during the spring?
It turns beautiful pink blossoms.
Yes, it does. It does. But why does this tree have to go?
Because we're building a shop.
We're building a shop and it's in the wrong spot. That's right.
What kind of tree is this?
I'm not really sure, actually, what kind it is. Take this stuff down to the burn pile. Take it to the burn pile. That smoke. I don't like that smoke coming out of there. Oh boy.
Down there.
There's only one reason it has a paper towel covering it. There's a naked woman on it.
Is that right?
Holding a gun.
Yeah, we have it covered. That's right. We have it covered. You can see the gun sticking out.
Yeah, like she has pants on, but other than that, she's naked.
And you keep trying to peek out of that paper towel.
Yeah, because I want to see those breasts.
What did you just say? What did you just say, AJ?
I'm getting the truth.
I cannot believe you said that. Now you're running away, huh?
Hey, I really want you to do one of my favorite pictures, sound shot. It's where you take a picture and then you make some noise, and then when it stops and it gets full loaded, you go to your gallery, press a little button on it, it stays that same picture, but you hear the noise in the background.
I cannot believe that you were saying what you said. Yeah, we gotta cover those pictures up for you. Stop trying to peek.
Oh, how do mountains see? They peak.
Ah ha ha. Like you want to do to that picture.